Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a heart pattern using double half hitch knots. Let's get started. Our first step is to take our string here, it's the third one from the left, and we're going to point it the direction we want it to go, and in this case it's going to point diagonally down to the left, and then we're going to tie 2 double half hitch knots around that. So we're going to bring our first working rope directly behind it to form a loop. It curls up and through the loop. We pull it through, and then we pull it tight, and then we bring that same working rope in front to form a loop. It curls around and through the loop, and pull it tight. And then we repeat it with our next working rope. And now we're going to take the rope that was right next to it, and this time it's going to point down and diagonal to the right. And we're going to tie 2 double half hitch knots around it. Now we're going to come and do the same pattern we just made, but on the opposite side. So we're going to take the third string from the right, point it diagonally down towards the right, and tie 2 double half hitch knots. And now we're going to take the string right next to it and point it down to the left, just as we did with this grouping of double half hitch knots. And now we're going to connect our 2 center pieces, so we're just going to tie double half hitch knots to connect these 2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the string on the far left here, it's going to point diagonally down towards the right, and we're going to tie 5 double half hitch knots. So we're going to take the first one right next to it and tie our first double half hitch knot. And now we are going to repeat that same pattern, this time using the strings on the opposite side. So I take the string here on the far right and point it down diagonally to the left. And again, as you can see, I tied my two ends together with a double half hitch knot. Now, if you want to continue making hearts in a line for whatever project you might be making, all you would do is repeat what we just did. Let me show you. We'll start with our third string here from the left, point it diagonally downwards towards the left, and tie two double half hitch knots. As you can see, we already have the top part of our heart done because of our previous heart. So we'll skip the sections here in the middle and just skip to doing the third string here on the right end. Again, point it towards the right, downward in a diagonal pattern. And then we tie two double half hitch knots. And then to finish our heart, we'll take the string here on the left and tie 5 double half hitch knots around it. And now we do the same with the string on the right pointed downwards towards the left. And then again, we just tie these together with a double half hitch knot. Alright, so as you can see, we have two fun little hearts in a row using double half hitch knots. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.